Hello, my name is Juan and welcome to the first episode of Koi Pond Maintenance brought to you by Koi Firscapes. Today we're going to talk about how to clean the filtration system we have here in Koi Firscapes. This is a filtration system for a 10,000 liter pond. For this filter cover, we are using a customized PVC wood deck. The advantage of this is it's lighter and more durable compared to wood, which is heavy and prone to mold and rot. It's strong enough that you can actually walk on it. You can buy this wood deck from the hardware store, but you can order custom fit panels at our store, as well as all the materials you will need for your filter system. Click on the link below for more information. We're now removing all the panels, and once we have it open, I'll give you a brief tour of all the components inside the filter chamber. The first chamber is called the settling chamber, and this is where water comes in from the pond. It has 3 customized PVC pipes cut to size, and I will show you their uses in a while. Then it passes through several layers of filter brush and filter mat. This is the filter chamber. The third chamber is where the UV light and the pump are located. Again, remember, for your safety, please turn off the UV light before cleaning because it might hurt your eyes. UV light has an added benefit when you add it to water going back to the pond. It prevents algae bloom and maintains the clarity of the water, but for your safety, please turn it off before cleaning. The last chamber is called the dry chamber, and this is where your aerator and all electrical outlets and switches are stored. Of course, for your safety, keep this chamber dry at all times. Now we're ready to start cleaning the filter. The pump should now be off, and remember that your UV light should also be turned off at this time. However, leave your aerators on to maintain a constant supply of air for the duration of the cleaning. Do not turn it off. Now we're ready to start cleaning the filter. Go to the first chamber and plug the custom PVC pipes to the PVC slots to prevent the pond water returning to the filter. Once it's plugged, you can now rinse your brush and mats. Rinse the mats and brushes by moving it up and down to dislodge or loosen the dirt that has accumulated. It's better to remove only the blue mat and not the gray mats. The reason for this is good bacteria which is now in the gray mat will likely die when taken out and exposed to air for more than a few minutes. And this good bacteria is needed for your pond, so better to keep it inside the chamber. Now you can drain the rest of the dirty water. This PVC pipe is the drain plug. Pull this drain plug to drain the dirty water into the public sewer system and out of your property, carrying all the dirt and debris from your filter system. Continue rinsing the dirt off from the chambers using water from the pond. The chamber flooring slopes towards the drain so the water will drain properly. By experience, it will take about 5 to 10 pails of pond water to get the chambers clean. You can also do a thorough cleaning of the filters and brushes by pressurized water from your garden hose, but this is just an option. The important thing is to rinse and clean until you can see clear water draining. Both methods will work as long as you get the dirt off the filter mats and brushes as well as the filter chamber. After you are satisfied that the mats and brushes are clean, Return them to their proper slots and refill the chambers with fresh water up to the required level. Now that the water is filled both on the pond and filter, you can cover your filter chamber. Normally, this entire process will take you about 15 to 20 minutes only. You can do it yourself and later let someone else manage the work. It's that easy because it can be managed by one person in less than an hour without the need for any additional assistance. We strongly advise regular cleaning of your koi pond filter system because ponds do get dirty depending on the food intake or the amount of food that's going into the pond for the koi. We usually find it better to clean the filter once a week or even better 2 to 3 times a week. If you clean your filter system often and regularly, you can enjoy a worry-free system, but more importantly, a clean and healthy pond that you and your koi will enjoy. Thank you and see you in the next video.